In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Zoom with Monday.com so you can automatically sync meetings, log summaries, and keep your projects perfectly organized without manual work. If you're running meetings on Zoom and managing tasks or projects in Monday.com, connecting these two platforms can save you a huge amount of time. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step, and by the end of this video, your integration will be fully up and running. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account and open the board where you want your Zoom data to appear. This could be a meetings board, a client management board, a project tracker, or any workflow where Zoom meeting information would be useful. Once you're inside the correct board, look at the top of the screen and click on the Integrations button. This opens the Integration Center for that specific board. In the search bar inside the Integration Center, type in Zoom. As you type, you'll see all available Zoom-related integration recipes appear. These recipes are pre-built automation templates that connect Zoom events to actions inside your Monday.com board. Now that you can see the Zoom integrations, the next step is to choose the recipe that matches your goal. For example, you might see an option that says, when a Zoom meeting ends, create or update an item. This is great if you want every completed meeting to automatically generate a task or record in your board. Another common option is syncing Zoom meeting details directly into a board, which is useful for tracking upcoming calls. You may also see a recipe for logging meeting summaries automatically, which can help with reporting and documentation. Take a moment to think about what you want to achieve, then click on the recipe that best fits your workflow. Once you select a recipe, you'll need to connect your Zoom account. Click the Connect button. A Zoom login window will pop up asking you to sign in. Enter your Zoom credentials and continue. Zoom will then ask you to approve permissions so Monday.com can access relevant meeting data. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Approve. This securely links your Zoom account to Monday.com so they can communicate with each other. After connecting your account, the next step is configuring the integration. This is where you map your Zoom data to the correct columns in your Monday.com board. Depending on the recipe you chose, you'll see different mapping options. For example, you can map the Zoom meeting title to the item name column in your board. You can map the meeting start time to a date column. The meeting duration can be mapped to a numbers column. The meeting link can go into a link column so your team can easily join or review the call. You can also map participants into a text column to keep a record of attendees. Go through each field carefully and select the appropriate column so Monday.com knows exactly where to store each piece of Zoom information. Once all fields are mapped correctly, review your setup to make sure everything looks right. Then activate the integration. From this point forward, the automation will run in the background. Whenever the trigger event happens, such as a meeting ending or being scheduled, Monday.com will automatically create or update items based on your configuration. This means no more copying and pasting meeting details manually. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoom with Monday.com. Now your meetings and project management system are connected, helping you stay organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.